Good morning, Finovate Europe. Thank you so much. I'm Richard, Sales Director at Tuum, and we are core banking without limits. Before I hand over to my colleague Neil, who will showcase the rich functionality of our platform, let me set the context by telling you a quick story. A few years ago, an established financial institution was looking to unlock new revenue streams by launching a range of innovative loan products. They already had many loan types in the market already, so adding more to their existing system should have been easy. However, as some of you will know, or some of you will have experienced personally and bitterly, it was not. After over a year of investment in time, money, and resources, they ultimately abandoned the hope of launching on their existing legacy core banking system. Instead, they chose to launch a greenfield project with us. We worked hand in glove with the client, deployed our off-the-shelf solution that is highly configurable and rapidly configured to their specific needs. In just 6 months, they were able to launch their first loans, and in 12 months, they were able to increase loans by a whopping 50%. Let's take a look at the platform.
Thank you, Rich. I'm going to walk you through a specific scenario in a moment, all about lending and creating a campaign for a lending product. Before I do that, I'm going to give you a quick view of the Tuum back office interface and some of the key features. The dashboard you see on the screen now is the first thing you see when you log into the back office interface and illustrates the breadth of the Tuum solution. We call it the Arrivals and Departures board, providing a complete view across multiple business lines, including real-time messages and notifications, all from a single platform.
So what you're seeing here is a dashboard that does not just inform, but empowers.
An illustration of Tuum's platform flexibility, let's take a quick look at the account structure. Here on the scene, you can see how Tuum offers multi-currency accounts in a single IBAN. Clients can pay and receive in any currency they choose without friction and extra charges. There are no limits to the currencies Tuum can accommodate, and we have use cases extending this into non-fiat, such as crypto, for true wallet versatility. Flexibility that allows our clients to differentiate. Notice also how I can see a client's loans, deposits, cards, direct debits, all from the single client view.
So what we have here is a multi-currency, single IBAN account structure that for our clients effectively erases borders.
Here's another example of the platform's flexibility when configuring a product or line of revenue. You can set any fee you like, any amount, any time frame, periodic or transactional. See how easy it is to configure fees based on fixed amounts, percentage, or even fixed with a percentage. Okay. I'm going to take the rest of this session to present the lending solution of the Tuum platform and walk through a real-world scenario with you. We're going to show you just how easy it is to create a campaign for a particular loan product and have that campaign associated with that loan product. The scenario being that classic tactic of wanting to increase revenue whilst at the same time allowing a decrease of fees to drive more business. I'm going to go into a loan product now. I don't want you to worry too much about just how much information is on this screen. It's a very large screen with lots of information. Please come by our booth later on, and we can walk you through in more detail. But if I scroll down the bottom of this configuration here, we'll see this particular loan product has no campaigns attached at the moment. Let's see how easy it is to create a campaign. I'm going to create the campaign on this screen here. I'm going to call it the Finovate Special. We'll give it a date range of April. Seems fairly apt. And I'll always apply the campaign. It could be by a campaign code, the code being passed through from some sort of loan origination solution. I'll say always. See how I can create a campaign which is around decreasing the rates, leaving the fees, an installment leave, or even a payment leave. I'm going to configure a fee leave, and it's going to be the account administration fee, and I'll have that for 12 months. And click on Create. So now we have the campaign. All I now need to do is to add the loan product to that campaign. And click on Add. Now if I go back to the loan product we saw earlier, and scroll down to the bottom of that configuration screen, we will see how that campaign is now associated with that product. It's that easy to create a campaign and associate the campaign with a loan product.
So we now have a loan product with an active campaign to waive the administration fee, all done in seconds on the back office interface. This has just been a snapshot of the transformative power of Tuum in just less than 7 minutes, but we would love to tell you more. There's so much more to our story. So we would invite you to continue the conversation later today at our stand, where you will discover how Tuum is powering one of the world's most successful BaaS ecosystems with 200 plus fintechs and over 10 million clients, how Tuum's core implementations, on average, take less than 7 months till go live, and how Tuum has enabled millions of accounts to be seamlessly migrated off legacy systems in record time. We look forward to speaking to you later today. We are Tuum, core banking without limits.